There is no place like Blue Boar in BKK for good pub food and great vibes. Check it out. This quiet little pub called the Blue Boar is nestled midway down Sukhumvit Soy 18. Moreover, this pub seems quiet, and yet every evening you will find the Blue Boar bustling with the local happy hour crowd. The happy hour prices most definitely will make your pocketbook happy, as every day, you can get a free meal with an order of a drink. How can you beat that? Buffalo wings and blue cheese dip. What a great combo, thank you Blue Boar. The wings and blue cheese dippity-doo makes it all better for you. What is a pub without a good set of chicken wings to order with your chilled beer? The blue cheese dip highly complements the buffalo wings. Fish and chips. I have been dying to try the Blue Boar's fish and chips, and I am so glad I did. Crunchy on the outside and soft glorious dory fish on the inside. I haven't had fish and chip in such a long time. I couldn't quite put what type of fish they use, and then the owner Johnny Walker confirmed that it is Dory Fish. I laughed, as I thought about Dory from Little Nemo. This brought wonderful memories of touring England few years back and trying out all the fish and chip shops there. This was very close, except the only difference is the fish used. Hold the salt on the mushy peas though. The chip fries are fabulously salted on the other hand. Beef burger and chips. The big soft, fluffy bun with all the right fixing to make a tasty delicious Wagyu beef burger. I really love the presentation of all the dishes here. For a pub style, they are serving up some mean entrees. Great pub grub. Meatballs and gravy. This was actually the first dish that came out, and it was spectacular, especially for pub food. It was marvelous. I really liked the lingonberry sauce, as it was a little bit tart, and furthermore it was so tasty with the meatballs. The garlic truffle mashed potatoes also were such a great complement to the meatballs. Overall, I think this is what is my most favorite dish in the entire course of our meal at the Blue Boar. By the way, we also had prime rib with gravy, and that was so nice and tender. Leonard and I both jumped at it, and then I realized after I forgot to take a photo. However, you're gonna want to try the succulent prime rib and gravy. I realize, being a Canadian, how much I miss gravy, real homemade gravy. This gravy, I would have just eaten fries and gravy, a taste of home which I miss from time to time. Pizza Supreme. The Blue Boar Pizza Supreme was great value for the money. I personally like my pizza crust to be a bit thicker, however, this is perfect for those that prefer a thinner, almost tortilla-like crust texture. I actually took this home and reheated it the next day on a frying pan, and it warmed up very well. Thank you so much to the staff at the Blue Boar and Johnny Walker, you guys are amazing. I have done a few events here, and the feedback that I get has always been positive. This pub is so friendly, so welcoming and inviting, you won't want to leave. It's almost like Cheers Bar. They will know your name, and trust me when I say this, you will feel loved. Subscribe, like, comment, share.